a day today, all right? Fight up the whole game, start to finish. Here we go. Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3. Giants.
Hey, you back home, J-Long. Get it, J-Long. You back home?
Hey, we're going to play back all day today. All right, hard pressure. We start today, all right? Defense on me, defense on 3. 1, 2, 3.
And 20 years from now, with whatever the else we're doing, we're going to look back and miss the times like this with us in this field, okay? So we're going to go out there right now like a pack of hungry wolves, and it's time to eat, all right? Let's go. Savages on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all know what today is, man. It's all about us, what we do. Nobody else, man. Hey, when we started playing, man, all we want to do is have fun and play football with our brothers, man. Hey, today is that day. Go back to the boy that you won when you started, man. Go back to that, man. Have fun today, playing beside each other, man. Let's ball today. Let's have fun. Let's ball today. Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3. Giants.
Trubisky in a shotgun set. Checks over the defense one more time and takes the snap. He's back to throw. He has plenty of time to the end zone. Intercepted by Alec Ogletree. A one-handed pick in the end zone.
Hey! Doing something about it. That's what it's about.
Woo! Number 1.
I'm hot.
That's number 1.
I'm hot.
Hey.
Good job. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun.
Second and goal at the 3. Jones in a shotgun set. 2 receivers to the right, 1 to the left. He's going to keep it. Rolls left, throws left, and he completes it for a touchdown to Caden Smith.
Right away, DJ.
DJ,
Good job, man.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah! Oh, yeah, Dan.
Good job, bro. What did you do on the Bentley?
Trubisky on a play fake. Back, throws a deep ball over the middle. He's got a receiver open, Robinson, who fights his way in for the touchdown. Trubisky takes the shotgun snap. This is a design run. He works his way right, and he's in for the touchdown. It was like a power sweep with Trubisky as the running back.
Hey, we got to keep playing.
I didn't know. I just didn't see it.
Hey, keep playing. Hey, keep playing, yo. Pick that head up, man. Keep playing.
We're going to get another turnover. We're going to get another turnover. Our offense is going to put it in. We got to make some plays.
3rd and 10 for the Bears on their own 44, right to left in your radio. Trubisky with time, deep ball over the middle, it's underthrown, intercepted by Julian Love, and the rookie from Notre Dame out across the 40. He's to the 45 to midfield, and finally tripped up at the 48-yard line of the Bears.
You should have had 2. In your hometown, man. In your city, man.
It's your city, huh?
Come on, man.
4th and 18. Jones back to throw. Looking to run, now he's just going to heave one into the end zone, and it is caught for the touchdown! What a throw and what a catch by Golden Tate!
Man, that's a grown man right there.
Man, let's take it as a challenge. Let's take it as a challenge. Come on.
3rd and inches for Trubisky and the Bears. He's working over center. Let's see if he keeps it. No, he hands it off for Montgomery, hit by Golden, and he's going to be short. Golden came flying off the edge and stopped Montgomery.
He lost a yard on that.
I'm going to do something about it. I'm going to do something about it. Yeah, I'm Marcus Gold. Who you is? What's your name, Marcus Gold? What's your name?
Well, here you are.
They need to convert a 4th and 4 from their own 35 to keep it going. Slayton goes out to the left. Jones in a shotgun set. Wants the snap, takes it. Back to throw. Rolls left, he's under pressure, just heaves it up for grabs, and it's incomplete. Intended for Slayton. A lot to ponder as the Giants come off the bye and lose. The final score, the Bears 19 and the New York Giants 14.
Hey Giants fans, Saquon Barkley here. You want to see more videos? Subscribe below.